Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer, anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. Looking at the overall crypto market cap today guys, you guys can see we are below that $3 trillion mark. We're currently sitting at $2.97 trillion. We are up 0.7% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 41.2%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we are seeing some mild red across the board. But one thing we need to keep in mind right now is that today is Saturday. And if you guys don't know, in cryptocurrencies, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur in the cryptocurrency space, especially on the weekends because the CME futures are closed. So, weekend moves that occur, I do take them with a grain of salt, but we do not need to, overlook the fact that this month has been nothing but bullishness for the entire crypto space, and I believe we are going to see this continue as we approach into December and end off this year of 2021. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is VeChain. Alright, my VeChain family, if we are looking at the VeChain price, you guys can see we are currently trading at 16.2 cents. We are up 2.2% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.5% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. One thing that I'm really seeing right now, that I'm really liking, is the fact that VeChain is holding very strongly at this top 22 spot. And that is a very bullish indicator on its own. And if we're looking at the market cap, guys, we're literally sitting at the same market cap just as we were 2 days ago at $10.8 billion. The 24-hour trading volume has gone down quite a bit, so that's something that we need to keep an eye out on. $522.13 million, but still not bad. I do believe this number is gradually going to move up once we do see the reversal occurring in the overall market momentum. If we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, though, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 1,275%. So let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices of VeChain. But today, guys, I want to share this with you guys before we jump into the charts and see the exciting stuff. VeChain Foundation posted this. With the POA 2.0 launch in just 3 days, we want to reassure everyone that no actions are required for all holders of VeChain or any other token on the VeChain Thor blockchain. So I just wanted to put that out there if you guys are not aware of that, so you guys know what is going on. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff and see what VeChain is doing and where we could be going in the immediate short term. So right off the bat, guys, you guys can see VeChain is still trading at 16.1 cents mark. And one thing that we do not want to be ignoring at this point around is that, this level of support now is playing very importantly for the price of VeChain. You guys can see, you cannot make this up right now. You cannot make this up. I was talking about this for quite a while, that this is a nice level of resistance for us. We did get above it on September 6th, where we're unable to hold above it, caused the price to go back towards the downside once again. But this time around, we were able to break above it and go even past this 0.15, get into this 38.2. But this time around, after we are seeing some market consolidation occurring, this level of support, guys, is playing for us quite importantly. And when resistance when you break resistance, it does tend to turn into support, and that's exactly what we're seeing right now. I don't expect us to break below this level, but we need to keep one factor in mind, and that is the price of Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still looking very bullish, guys. I still believe that we are about to see more price momentum for Bitcoin to occur, newer all-time highs, because the steam is definitely there for Bitcoin as of now. We did see Bitcoin hit an all-time high just a couple days ago at $68,900, almost $69,000, but since then we have seen a small retracement occur, and it has been holding quite well around here, and we are trading sideways around this price range. One thing to keep in mind, today is the weekend. And we could, yeah, like I said, we do tend to see a lot of manipulation occur on the weekends, so we need to keep that factor into mind as well. But Bitcoin is holding very, very strong. But if we are going to revisit these this next the support level at 60K, that we have a nice support around, if we're able to go revisit these levels, then guys, we could see VeChain go below this level of support and possibly get back down to these price levels. But I highly doubt that right now, because the overall market momentum is quite strong, and I do expect VeChain to make a reversal very, very soon and start heading towards all-time highs. VeChain is looking quite bullish, guys, so you guys do not want to underestimate the power of what is really about to happen. I know people don't like waiting. I know we don't like waiting, but if you waited since you were holding around here, why would you want to, lose hope at this point and just hop out? Because at the end of the day, I always tell you guys this, without patience, you can't really win in this market, and that's just the reality. Yes, you can go buy speculative coins that have zero use case, like meme coins such as that, but you also have a 90% chance of losing everything you have there. So you do not want to follow the hype, and wherever these meme coins are coming and they're trending, you guys don't want to put your life savings into that. You can throw some money that you can afford to lose if you really want to play it, but I would strongly encourage you guys to stay away. But projects like VeChain with real utility, strong fundamentals, solving real world problems, guys, please hear me out. Solving real world problems. These are the projects that are here to stay and that are going to shape the overall cryptocurrency industry for the futures and the years to come. And VeChain by far is one of the ones that are standing, out there. And I do believe VeChain has a very quite, future ahead of itself. And long-term perspective, I could see VeChain above $2 and even higher than that. But patience is going to be needed for us to really see those gains being made across the board. But right now, what I would like for VeChain to do in the immediate short term, that everyone wants to know, CryptoZX, what do you want VeChain to do in the immediate short term? For me personally, like I said, we have broken out of this level. It's very exciting times ahead. Momentum is on our side right now, but I would like for us to, bounce back above here, above this support level. Even if we revisit this, have a nice bounce back up and get back into this 38.2, guys. This level is very, very strong as well. But one thing you guys want to keep in mind is that, once we have the buying pressure on our side, as I have mentioned earlier in this video, we do not have enough buying pressure coming in, but that will change on its own. That's organic growth, and that's nothing to worry about. But once that's on our side, we will smash past the 38.2 very, very fast. Remember this word, guys. We will smash past out of this range very fast and get back into this 23.6. But once we get into this 23.6, that's when we get excited, and that's basically all-time high territories. And if I am bringing out the measuring tool, guys, we are literally away about 75.75% away from all-time highs. Yes, this may seem quite a big number, but you guys need to remember, markets move up very, very fast, and when the momentum is on its side, we could really see, coins spiking up towards the upside, and especially when Bitcoin dominance is decreasing. Right now, that is not the case. We are seeing BTC dominance still hovering around this 43% range. We could see it spike up back to 47%. That's definitely not off the books yet, because Bitcoin is still, looking extremely, extremely bullish. So if Bitcoin decides to start having a parabolic move and possibly even heading 100K, a lot of analysts are calling that to happen. If that happens, guys, then we could see BTC dominance, increase, which could cause altcoins to trade sideways for quite a while. But the money does flow back into altcoins, and that's when we're really going to see that, parabolic type of run. But that does not mean, if Bitcoin has these kind of runs, that does not mean altcoins are going to lag behind. They're obviously going to gradually move up with the overall Bitcoin momentum, but we're not going to see the parabolic type of cycle occur. But I do expect VeChain all-time high to come very, very soon. Be prepared, guys. Hodl on, stay strong, and the time is definitely coming, in my personal opinion. So far, like I said, I would like for us to get back into this 38.2 and get back into this 23.6. And once we're able to do that, guys, then we're literally around all-time high territories, and 50 cents is my price target, because you guys know when there is no levels of resistance or support, it's basically price discovery mode, and price can move up very, very fast. And if we are bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, that would mean we would need a 78% move to get to that level. Very, very realistic, guys, and I believe that is definitely going to happen if we do see the momentum building up on our side, which already is. Like I mentioned earlier before to you guys, we're seeing VeChain trending on Twitter. We're seeing more and more bigger accounts talking about it. And aside from bigger accounts talking about it or not, guys, we need to keep in mind that VeChain keeps on delivering. They keep on expanding. They keep on working with some of the biggest organizations around the world to just really bring blockchain to the masses. That itself, aside from trending, a lot of people talking about it, just that thing itself makes me extremely bullish. And if you look long term, guys, if they continue doing what they're doing, things can really, really get exciting. So if you're in for the long haul, guys, I always like telling you guys this, so you should ask yourself this question: am I going to cash out VeChain gains very, very soon? If the answer is yes, then great. But if the answer is no, one thing I would like my VeChain holders to do, let's say you're in it for the long haul, you really think VeChain could be very, very big in the next 5 to 6 years, and you just want to hodl no matter what, then you guys really definitely want to stake your VeChain and earn passive income. And I would like you guys to check Crypto.com to stake your VeChain, because Crypto.com, if you have not heard about it, is the world's fastest growing crypto app. 10 million users are buying and selling 150 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. You can spend with the crypto Visa card and get up to 8% back, and also grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto asset. This is exactly what I'm talking about. So, this app can be downloaded on Google Play Store if you have an Android device, and if you have an iOS device, any Apple device, you can also download this app on the App Store. It's a one-stop shop, guys. You can literally do everything on this app, and this app is very, very credible. And I'm a huge fan of this app. I use it myself, and I do have the Crypto.com Visa card, and I could spend that Visa card anywhere Visa is accepted. So let's say I want to buy, for example, a loaf of bread. I don't want to use my debit card. I have my Crypto.com card, which I could load it up. It's a prepaid card, and I could use that anywhere around the world where Visa is accepted. So, what are you guys waiting for? Check it out. And if you guys want to, sign up for the card, not only will you get $25, but I will get $25 as well. The link in the description box below. So use that code CryptoZX, when you are signing up for this card, and you will get $25 free, and so will I. And you can spend that literally anywhere in the world where Visa is accepted. Very, very great app, guys, and this app is going to take over the world, and it already is. So if you're a VeChain holder or any crypto holder and you want to buy crypto or stake it or use your crypto gains, this is the app that you want to check out. So what are you waiting for? Check it out. Link in the description box below. And I would love to say thank you to Crypto.com for sponsoring this video. From the bottom of my heart, thank you so, so much. I really appreciate the support. But with that being said, guys, this is it for today's update. I would love to know your thoughts down below on what you guys think where VeChain is going in the immediate short term. Let's say at the end of November. I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. And thank you for all the support that you guys are showing me. You guys are literally absolutely killing it, and I'm speechless as to the fact that how much support that you guys are showing me. I love you all, and this is just the absolute start for our channel, guys. We're literally 50 subscribers away from 20,000 subscribers, and the next goal we are going to reach is 30, 40, 50, and 100K, and I know the CryptoZX family is going to get there. We're going to the moon, guys, and I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been CryptoZX, and peace out.